Real Travels.
Value for money.
Food trip.
Accommodation na sulit.
Real Travels.
Because adventures are the best way to learn.
Hey guys! Welcome to Real Travels, a travel and adventure show powered by FEBC in collaboration with Shutterlight Digital. My name is Shaira De La Peña, your travel host and buddy for the show. And today guys, we are here back in the Philippines and I'm currently here ngayon sa Urbis Tondo, La Union. Kaya guys, join me in my day in the life as we explore and check out the beautiful spots and kung ano pa yung mga masarap na kainan dito sa Urbis Tondo, La Union. Tara guys! So ngayon guys, nandito tayo sa Urbis Tondo, La Union and nandito tayo sa napakagandang cafe by the beach. So ang tawag dito sa coffee shop na to na restaurant then is called Sea Nymph Surf Cafe. At guys, ang dami nating in-order. Tingnan nyo naman, meron tayong in-order na parang mga lutong bahay na Filipino food, which is very perfect na food na i-order no, kapag magbe-beach. So ang in-order natin ngayon is beef broccoli. Ayan. And then, dami nating putahe na in-order ngayon guys. Meron pa tayong chicken curry na in-order and adobong puset. Ayan, may adobong puset tayo and meron tayong in-order din na tuna, grilled tuna, but with a twist kasi it's with a mango salsa on top. Dito guys sa Sinem Surf Cafe, if you can see, ang lalaki ng parang mga putahe nila, no? Hindi siya yung parang pinagkasya sa isang plato with rice. It's really parang good for two na siya, guys. Good for 2 to 3 people. Ang isang putahe dito, guys, is 280 pesos with rice na yon. So, if sharing, may ka-sharing ka, dalawa kayo, mag-order na lang kayo ng extra rice. So, for me, napakasulit na yon. Lalo na tong chicken curry, talagang, I think, good for two. Busog na busog ka na dito. So, itry natin, guys. Let's taste test lahat ng putaheng in-order natin. So, tikman natin yung beef broccoli. Ayan. Ang ganda ng serving nila, guys. Super, super dami. Ang sarap. Ang sarap, guys. Yung beef, guys, ng beef broccoli nila, hindi siya masyadong mataba. Puro mga karne talaga. Kaya perfect na perfect talaga tong ulam. So, ito, guys. Titikman na natin yung chicken curry naman nila. Isawsaw natin sa kanilang chicken curry sauce. Super dami ng serving ng kanilang curry sauce, guys. Tikman natin. Sarap, guys. May kagat siya. May kagat yung chicken curry nila. Medyo maanghang, pero yun yung gusto kong type ng chicken curry, which is may kagat. May pagka-spicy siya. And ito yung chicken curry nila na merong mga patatas. Meron din siyang cauliflower. And mga tomato at mga sili. O, diba? So, I'll give this a 9 out of 10. Masarap yung chicken curry nila, guys. And then, let's try yung adobong pusit naman nila. Tikman natin kung lasang adobo. Sobrang ganda ng texture, sobrang ganda ng texture ng pusit nila. Hindi siya yung pusit na parang bubblegum na ang hirap lunokin. It's the type of pusit na mangunguya mo talaga kahit may pustiso ka. It's so easy to chew. Very tender yung pusit nila, guys. And masarap pa dito is that meron pa siyang adobong sabaw. So, ang sarap, guys, especially with rice. And then the last one, tikman natin yung kanilang grilled tuna with mango salsa. So, I'm not sure kung anong lasa ng grilled tuna with mango salsa, pero let us try. Kung masarap ba ang tuna with mango and rice. So, eto guys, tikman natin. Kakaiba yung lasa niya, guys, pero masarap. Para kang, alam mo yung pag nagmamadali ka kumain, gusto mo na ihalo yung dessert mo sa, sa ulam mo. I think ito yun, guys. Reminds me of mango sticky rice. Pero may tuna. Pero masarap siya, guys. Weirdly delicious. I'll give this a 9 out of 10 din. Kasi ang laki ng serving, guys. If you can see the tuna, napakalaki ng serving, guys. So, for me, I think this is a really great place to go to, especially if gusto mo ng lutong bahay. Ayaw mo masyado ng mga commercialized places dito sa La Union. You just want something that hits home. Lutong bahay sa Sea Nymph Surf Cafe. So, 10 out of 10 guys. Super, super sarap dito. Try na dito. Hi guys, so andito tayo right now sa Shore Break Hostel here in Urbistondo, La Union. And sobrang ganda nitong hostel na to guys because first impressions pa lang, it's really a big accommodation. Parang di nga hostel kasi it looks like a big house. Tapos it has different rooms that can cater to different groups of people, solo travelers, mga couples, mga barkadas and families as well. So ang ganda guys. Unang impression talaga dito, it's very aesthetic. And eto, pagpasok nyo pa lang guys, kitang-kita namin it's very easy to locate. Hindi kami naligaw when looking for this place. At the same time, may parking din dito, guys. So, very, very convenient, especially if meron kayong dalang car. And at the same time, they have a lot of things to offer din. So, tingnan natin itong lagusan dito sa eskinitang to. Ayan. It's actually a cafe. So, they have a cafe downstairs. May restaurant din sila. Coffee and kitchen na siya. So, it's called Billy's. And sulit talaga dito guys sa Billy's Coffee and Kitchen because look at their menu. They offer a lot of things, especially yung mga rice bowl nila, which are their specials. So, ito guys yung specials nila. They have a kimchi fried rice bowl. Tapos, meron silang beef yakiniku bowl. Super sulit guys. And ito pa lang yung amenities dito sa ground floor. Pero sa taas, there are a lot of places na you can just chill and lounge then. Nandito tayo ngayon guys sa Billy's Coffee and Kitchen. And tingnan nyo naman guys tong in-order ko. It's their bestseller na coffee which is called the LAX Latte. So super, super unique guys. Tingnan nyo. Ang galing oh. May orange peel yung latte na to. And it's actually one of their signature drinks kasi it's actually espresso plus oat milk plus vanilla and orange peel. Tas ang dami pa guys, may ginger and cinnamon top with a touch of cayenne. Tikman natin guys kung anong lasa nitong LAX latte na to. Ay, ang sarap guys. I feel na if you're a coffee enthusiast, super, super ma-appreciate nyo tong LAX latte. Kasi hindi siya yung typical coffee mo na mabibili mo sa mga coffee shops na parang Spanish latte or like yung mga mocha latte. But this is like, ang sarap niya guys. Parang siyang coffee na medyo maanghang. Tapos medyo lasang orange. Pero lasang coffee. Talagang kayo yung gumawa po ng kinonceptualize nyo po yung LAX latte. Ayan guys. So ang galing lang kasi it's their original recipe po, no? Tama. Ayan. So yun guys. Itong latte na to, I think this is a hidden gem dito sa San Juan, La Union, tama ba? Hidden gem to guys sa Urbistondo, La Union. Itong LAX latte nila. If nag-cafe hopping kayo at madami na kayong coffee na natikman sa La Union, I think worth it dumayo dito sa Billy's para lang sa kanilang mga coffee. It's a 100 out of 10 for me. Kaya, ayun, sige. Ubusin ko lang to guys ha. Sarap talaga guys ng kanilang LAX coffee. For only 200 pesos. Ayun. Sulit na kasi malaki yung serving. Parang 20. Hi guys! So, ayan, pasok tayo. Tara, pasok! So, dito sa Shore Break Accommodation, guys, they have this family room which can fit up to 8 people. So, from 6 to 8 people, kasyang-kasya dito sa family room nila. And what's nice about this is that maganda yung format no? Maganda yung format ng kanilang room. It looks very spacious. Tapos, meron silang dalawang bed dito sa baba na queen size. And then, sa taas naman, meron silang mga single bed na parang bunk style. So, it's really nice for families, for barkadas, especially kapag mag-get together kayo. And grabe guys, so it's so lamig here. So, syempre ngayong summer, sobrang init ngayon sa Urbistondo. From the Shore Break Accommodation, from here guys, it's only like a 5 to 10 minute walk from here to the Urbistondo Beach. They have a TV here, merong aircon, napakaganda ng interior design. Feel na feel mo talaga yung La Union beach vibes dito. And ito yung CR nila, napakaganda guys. Because it has complete amenities din sa loob ng CR. Kumbaga, ay, Ayan, ito yung CR nila guys. Ang ganda ng CR nila. So ito yung shower area nila guys. This is the bathroom. Ang ganda kasi meron na siyang glass wall. So ano talaga, it's very premium and at the same time may bidet. May bidet guys yung CR nila, which is very important, 'di ba? So dito sa Shore Break Hostel, guys, napakasulit talaga because napakaganda, very easy access yung location, and at the same time, it can accommodate big groups to small groups then because they actually have capsule beds then for solo travelers. They have for 2, good for 3, good for 4, up to 8. So, yun guys. Since nag-crave tayo sa ihaw-ihaw ngayon, ito guys yung hack natin. If you want to go to La Union on a budget, pero sulit pa rin yung kakainin mo, this is the best way. Ito yung pinakamagandang gawin nyo, which is tusok-tusok at ihaw-ihaw. Ayan. So, ito guys, so tingnan nyo, they have a lot of assorted stuff na pwede mong iihaw from barbecue, dugo ba to? O Betamax? Ayan. Betamax, hotdog, at puset, at mga tilapia, at mga fish, at iba pa. So, super sulit guys kasi very budget friendly siya. Like, it ranges from 25 pesos to 50 pesos yung mga barbecue nila, hotdog, ganon, dugo, sisiw, ay, isaw, yung mga isaw nila, ganon. Tapos super sulit kasi okay yung serving nila. At the same time, they have seafood here like the puset. Tingnan nyo naman, napakalaki ng puset for only 160 pesos, di ba guys? Compared sa kung mag-restaurant kayo, di ba? Mas mahal, times 3, times 4 yung presyo. But here, talagang fresh na fresh talaga from the sea. And fresh lahat ng mga kanilang iihawin. Paihaw na natin to. Ayan. Ito po. Thank you. At ito, syempre, pusit. Ito din po. Ayan. Salamat. Ayan guys. LU Resto Bar. So ito guys, napuluto na natin yung mga pinaihaw natin. It's basically barbecue, hotdog, dugo or Betamax, and then inihaw na puset. Ayan. So, tikman natin guys. Excited ako tikman ng puset. Our cravings for today guys is puset. Kanina adobong puset, ngayon inihaw naman na puset. So, tikman natin. Ay, panalo na yung puset guys for only 160 pesos. Kasi nilalagyan nila ng garnish na din. At the same time, meron nang nilalagay sila ng mga tomato, mga sibuyas. Kaya very flavorful yung pusit nila. Talagang inihaw siya to the right timing. To the right timing. Inihaw yung pusit na hindi siya sobrang overcooked, din and undercooked. It's really good. Tapos ito, tikman natin yung hotdog. Syempre guys, iba yung lasa ng hotdog kapag inihaw compared sa hotdog na niluto sa bahay. So, mas masarap daw, sabi nila, pag inihaw sa La Union. Ayan, tingnan natin yung hotdog ng La Union. Ay, mas masarap yung hotdog ng La Union kaysa hotdog sa Manila. Kahit parehong brand lang to, baka may ambag yung salty air, ganon. Kaya ang sarap. Sarap, guys. Pa naman natin tong barbecue. Ayan, barbecue. Talagang outing na outing yung hindi mawawala sa outing tong barbecue. Ay, grabe. Talaga namang napaka-generous nila sa kanilang sauce sa barbecue. Pininturahan nila ng sauce yung barbecue. Tapos, meron pang additional, if gusto mo pa, ng red sauce ng barbecue, nilalagay pa nila sa cup. Sobrang generous pa nila. So, pwede mo to isabaw, isarsa sa rice mo. Tapos may pasuka pa sila. Sobrang generous nila sa mga sauces and sabaw nila, guys. Okay na okay to dito sa LU Resto Bar. So, lahat ng to, all under 200 pesos. What impressed me the most is more than the cheap and affordable price nila. Ang napansin ko dito guys, this is a calendaria type style of ihaw-ihaw or tusok-tusok na malinis guys. Like imagine yung suka nila nasa picture, kanina nga nasa tumbler pa nakita ko yung suka nila. So very very hygienic, tsaka malinis talaga yung mga way nila ng pag-ihaw, tsaka yung way nila ng pag-serve ng food. Sarap, sobrang sulit. So fresh na, malinis pa, affordable pa dito lang sa LU Resto Bar sa Urbis Tondo, La Union. And yun guys, no, super fun talaga dito sa La Union. It's a perfect summer getaway, just around 4 to 5 hours from the heart of Metro Manila, guys. I hope you enjoyed for today's episode. Once again, always remember that adventures are the best way to learn. This is Shara de la Peña once again, your host and travel buddy here in Real Travels, and I'll see you next week.